Hey everyone, it's Jim
and Charles
from Valves and More, an online vintage tube store. And today in Tube Lab number 267, we're going to talk briefly about a large shipment that's inbound. And and correction, actually it's not inbound anymore. I wrote the script first thing this morning and a huge fucking box arrived at our front door. And we couldn't resist to open it up a bit. But mostly we want to talk a little bit about the balanced preamp update. And before I forget, if you find this video helpful, please subscribe. It helps to grow the channel. And for those of you new to either of our YouTube channels, we follow a strict code of not monetizing the channels, though sometimes we'll have copyrighted materials such as a music track that we use that will be monetized by YouTube in order to pay, whoever has the copyright.
None of that's coming to us.
No. We've never got a penny from YouTube. We also never accept free equipment, gifts, money, or any form of compensation when we review equipment. Somebody once made a comment after we made that declaration the first time, I think about, 6 months ago, and said, "You're pure YouTubers." And I thought, this is what YouTube should be. And it's become, like a marketplace now. Anyways, whatever. But first, caution everyone, electronics and tube amplifiers can have very high voltages present, which can be lethal. Exercise extreme caution when working around them. Always consult a professional technician when in doubt. It's just a short episode today to let you know that we received a large order of premium vintage tubes.
Probably the largest box that we've ever had come in for one single order.
Yeah, and the delivery guy is probably the shortest guy I've ever seen. He put it up on his shoulder, though, and he got up those steps.
Yeah.
Now, we're going to start breaking it open properly, after we shoot the two videos today, but we have to test the tubes. First we break it open, which takes a lot of work because our supplier does an amazing job of packaging, but almost too amazing. I mean, look at this. There is a box to protect the tube, but they wrap it in plastic and bubble wrap, but I'm not going to complain because we lose a lot of tubes every year simply because people don't
pack them well. Yeah.
Don't pack well. Yeah. So, yeah.
So we've got to unpack them, we've got to sort them, we have to clean them, test them, match them, and then get them into the store for you guys. But we're going to be working on that this weekend.
Yeah, in fact, all of next week we'll be putting time into it. But next Friday we'll do a big show and tell because there's lots of fun stuff, great stuff that came in. And during the week, it'll start showing up in the store. But anyways, that's next week's show. Now, if you're interested in knowing how the new balanced preamp PCB is designed, head on over to Melotone Amps. We'll put a link below this video so you can get there easily. We'll be showing the updated schematic and the actual software in a real-time display. Should be a lot of fun. If you like the more technical side of vacuum tube preamp design. Now, if you aren't interested in building your own audiophile gear, that's okay, because we offer a pro build service in which we build the kit for you. When we first started the kit business, this didn't happen very often. But in the last year or so, we're getting more and more orders for pro-built kits. And I suspect we'll be building a lot of balanced preamps for customers, as the design will be given an advanced level of experience required. So definitely not for beginners.
And it's definitely the most complex PCB that we've designed to date. It's taken months of work and tweaking to get it to this point. So if you're interested in seeing what we've got, head on over to the other channel and we'll see you there in a few minutes.
This is Jim
and Charles
signing off. Cheers, everyone.